Worst day ever. Today is such a lovely day.
Yeah.
I mean, what's not lovely about it? I woke up early. I got to school early. I found out school's not keeping. I went to get some coffee. I found out that I didn't have any coffee. So I'm off to a splendid start. Who doesn't want to get up early and come to school to find out that your class is not keeping? Even though you had to get up early, so early, come to school. Am I repeating myself? I don't know. I'm so annoyed. On the flip side, check out my hair. I can wear headbands now. Progress. So you know, I'm so close to getting my man bun. If you don't know what I'm talking about, my man bun, you can check out my dreadlock videos. So how are you guys been, really? It's been a while. I know I didn't upload a video last week, and I have a pretty good reason for that. No, I don't actually. So what happened was I tried to vlog. It was raining all the time, and when I tried to, yeah, that's what happened, guys. But I'm here today and I'm making a new vlog. So let's talk for a bit. So what's been new with me? Not much really. I had something to talk about with you guys, but I can't remember.
Boy, if you don't get...
What was it? Oh well, it'll probably come back to me later. There's not much going on today. I don't have any classes. I'm just chilling. What's a nigga to do? I mean, I'm all alone. I should probably take a nap. So yeah guys, so I've finished taking a nap and my camera battery is about to die. With that being said, I think wait, are you guys subscribed? You guys should definitely subscribe to my channel, and I post every Friday except for last Friday. That was a one-time thing. And follow me on the socials: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, what else? Facebook, Google, yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next. It's your boy Wannabematt. Peace. Vlog. Oh, I'm ending the vlog because my battery is died. So before my battery dies, I thought I should just end the vlog. So yeah.